Hi, my name is Naveen. In this video, I will show you how to download codeblocks and install it on Windows 10 and also on Ubuntu 20.04, which is the latest LTS version. Open your favorite browser and type codeblocks.org. Here we can see codeblocks 20.03 is the latest version and it's released on 19th of March 2020. If we click on the Downloads tab, we have an option to download the source code and the binary release. Now we need to check the binary release option, so I'll be clicking on the first option. We can download and install codeblocks for both 64-bit and 32-bit version. And also we have option to download only the codeblocks software and not with the codeblocks software which has the compiler included in it. But here we need codeblocks which has the compiler included in it. So I'll be selecting the fourth option. We can see here we have two options from where which we can download the software. It's from FossHub and sourceforge.net. I will be selecting the second option like sourceforge.net. Once we click on the link, the download will automatically start. If you have any difficulties downloading the software, just refresh the browser. The software is completely downloaded. Now we can install it. For installing this software on Windows 10, we need to have admin rights. Right click on the application and click Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Click Next. Click on I agree. And you can keep all the default options checked. Click on Next. The installation may take a couple of minutes based on your system configuration. Installation has been completed. Now just click on Yes and click on Next. Click on Finish. GCC will be the default compiler. Just click on Set as Default and click on OK. I will now create a new project and see if the software has been properly installed on my machine or not. Just click on File, New and select a project. Under all categories, select Console and then Console Application. Click on Go. Now I want to create a C program, so I'll be selecting the C option here and click on Next. Giving a project title as Hello. Just click on the checkbox and it will open the File Explorer. Navigate to the folder you have created, or you can create it now. Just select the folder and click on Next. The compiler option is defaultly selected as GCC compiler. Now click on Next. Double click on the main.c file and now we can see a sample code has been created. Click on Build and Run. Now we can see the output Hello World has been properly displayed. So with this we can see that the software has been properly installed. Now I will show you how to uninstall the software. Close the software. Right click on the Windows icon and click on Run. Here type apt-wiz.cpl and click on OK. It will directly navigate to the Programs and Features option. Select Codeblocks here and click on Uninstall. Click on Yes. And now click on the Uninstall button. The uninstallation may take up to 4 to 5 minutes based on your system configuration. So once the uninstallation process is completed, just reboot your machine so that all the temporary files and the unnecessary files will be deleted. Now I will show you how to install codeblocks on the latest Ubuntu version 20.04. Open a terminal and copy the first command. The first command will add the code repository to the repository files. When I was recording this video, CodeBlocks doesn't have a release version for the Ubuntu 20.04. So we will try to add the repository, and by doing this we will be getting an error, and I will fix that one. And if you don't get any error for the first command, you can directly move to the second one. So you can see here I got an error. Just follow the commands I'm typing here. Navigate to etc and then under etc apt folder. Here I'll try to edit the repository file. I need admin rights here, so I'll be opening the file with sudo command. Just change the word from focal to bionic. So bionic is the previous version 18.04. Save the file using the command wq. Now we have updated the file, and I will run the second command, sudo apt-get update. Now this command will update all the repositories. A repository has been updated. Now I will run the last command, which will install the CodeBlocks software. So if you see any issues while doing the same process on your laptop or desktop, you can put in the comment section. I will try to answer them. Now the installation process has been completed. I will open the CodeBlocks and see if it's properly installed or not. Click on activities and select the show applications, and you can see the ID has been installed. Just click on it. The compiler is automatically detected. Just select it and click on OK. Now we will create a new project and see if the software has been properly installed or not. Click on new project. Under all categories, select console application, click on go, like same we did for the Windows operating system. So I'm trying to create a C program here. Just click on C and click next. Give a title for the project. Click on the checkbox. So I have created a folder here named project code and hello. You can save the same project in your local folders. Just click open. Click next. The compiler is automatically detected. Now click on finish. Now we will build the application and run it. You can see the output hello world. But you can also see that the font of the build log and the console are very small. We will try to fix it now. For this, click on settings and go to environment. Select the view button and you can increase the font over here. By this, the build log font will be increased. Now we will again go to settings and click on environment. Here we will change the default terminal from Xterm to the Genome terminal. Click on OK. Now the last option, we will change the editor font. Click on settings and go to editor. Choose the font option and just increase the font here. The same options can be followed on Windows operating system also. Now we will try to run the code once again. Here you can see the output and the console has been changed. And if you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my channel, me Aliv. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.